CTA. Yeah, they got the bus. They get the big long bus, and they get the. Yeah, there's the horn. Yeah. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, get on the bus. Get on the bus. Yeah. That's good. All right, good. Let's keep going. Billiken Parade, Chicago, Illinois, 92 degrees. It's hot. August 18th. Yeah, it's coming up soon. So they do this before that. Yeah, it's here's the firefighters. Yeah. Chicago firefighters, emergency, first responders. Yeah, thank you. Chicago firefighters. This is the real Chicago fire. This is not the TV show. These are the people that saved your lives. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, Chicago firefighters. Yeah. Here comes the fire engine. No, this is in the parade. This is the fire engine in the parade here. Hey, look at the pinwheels. Hey, I like the pinwheels. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Give a hug. Yes, very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Chicago Fire. Yeah, the real life heroes. Yeah, real life heroes. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Billiken Parade, Chicago Fire Department, the real heroes. First responders. Yeah. It's hot. All right, let's keep going here.